you are going to learn Python. This is the basics of Python so that everybody can understand. First of all, you should know what is programming. So let's read the definition of programming. Computer programming is an art because it applies accumulated knowledge to the world, because it requires skill and integrity, and especially because it produces objects of beauty. A programmer who subconsciously views himself as an artist will enjoy what he does and will do it better. Donald Nudge. So, in simple words, we can say computer programming is an art. With the help of programming, you can assign any work to the computer and your computer will perform this for you. So, for that purpose, you should know any programming language. But what is a programming language? A language which is understood by computer, it is called programming language. And one of the language is Python. There are so many programming languages, but you are going to learn one of the language, that is Python. Introduction to Python. We have written algorithm for different problems in chapter 4. Let us now move a step further and create programs using any version of Python 3. But before learning about Python programming language, let us understand what is a programming language and how it works. So students, here you need to understand what is algorithm. Algorithm means logic of a program. Each and every program of computer needs some logic. With the help of logic, developing programs become a easy process.